Lesson 7: Politics and Nuclear Energy. Learning outcomes. After this lesson, you should be able to 1. Understand the historical development of nuclear energy. 2. Examine regulatory framework that govern nuclear energy. 3. Identify the role of various stakeholders involved in nuclear energy politics. And 4. Engage with current debates and issues surrounding nuclear energy.
Introduction. Since its conception, nuclear energy has been the focus of heated discussions and political plots. In order to understand the politics of nuclear energy, this lesson will look at significant historical events, political choices, stakeholders' interests, and current problems that have shaped the field of study.
Activity. Before we proceed to the lesson, answer the question below. 1. What were the key events and discoveries that led to the development of nuclear energy as a technology? 2. How did nuclear energy go from being used for military purposes to being used for civilian purposes? What were the implications?
Atoms are the tiny units that make up all matter, and each one contains protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons and neutrons form the nucleus at the center, while electrons orbit around it. Protons have a positive charge, electrons have a negative charge, and neutrons have no charge. A large amount of energy is stored in the forces holding the nucleus together, and breaking these forces release nuclear energy. Nuclear fission is the process used to break these bonds and procedure electricity. Energy Information Administration 2023. The 1938 discovery of nuclear fission by Otto Hahn and Fritz Strassmann led to the major advancement that revealed its potential for producing a huge amount of energy.
Sa nuclear fission daw po, hinahati ang mga atom at naglalabas ito ng malaking energies. Kadalasang ginagamit ng mga nuclear power plant ang uranium para dito. Kapag tinamaan daw po ng neutron ang uranium atom, nahati ito at lumilika ng init, radiation at mas maraming neutron. Ang mga neutron na ay tumatama naman sa ibang uranium atoms. Kaya tuloy-tuloy ang chain reaction. Kinokontrol ng nuclear reactors ang prosesong ito para makagawa ng tamang dami ng init na ginagamit sa paglikha ng kuryente.
Nuclear fusion occurs when atoms combine to form a larger atom, releasing energy in the process. This is the same reaction that powers the sun and the stars. Scientists are still studying how to use fusion to generate heat and electricity. But because it is very difficult to control, it is still uncertain whether fusion will become a practical and commercially usable energy source.
Ang uranium daw po ang pinakakaraniwang ginagamit na fuel sa nuclear fission sa mga power plant. Kahit marami ito sa mga bato at sa buong mundo, itinuturing pa rin itong non-renewable. Sa mga nuclear reactor, isang particular na uri ng uranium ang ginagamit, ang U-235. Dahil madali itong mahati, pero napakabihira nito kahit na mas marami ang uranium kumpara sa silver.
Nuclear energy. A nuclear power plant generates electricity in much the same way as a coal-fired power plant, with one major difference. In both systems, water is heated to create steam that turns a turbine connected to a generator. The spinning generator that converts this mechanical motion into electrical energy, which is delivered through transmission line to homes and other buildings. So, sa madaling salita po, Pareho lang silang nagpapainit ng tubig para gumawa ng kuryente. Ang pagkakaiba lang ay paano nila pinapainit ang tubig.
Ang pangunahing pagkakaiba daw po ng coal at nuclear power plants ay ang uri ng fuel na nagpapainit ng tubig. Kapag sinusunog ang coal, naglalabas ito ng maraming pollution at carbon dioxide na nakadaragdag sa climate change. Sa nuclear plants naman daw po, init ang nalilikha sa pamamagitan ng nuclear fission, kung saan ang uranium atom ay nahati matapos tamaan ng neutron. Ang paghahati ito ay lumilikha pa ng mas maraming neutron na nagpapatuloy sa chain reaction. Sa pamamagitan daw po ng maingat na pagkontrol sa prosesong ito, nakakagawa ang nuclear reactors ng tuloy-tuloy at maaasahang energies.
Nuclear energy produces almost no greenhouse gases, unlike coal power. However, it has raised a high levels of radiation from nuclear fissions can be deadly. Its develops during World War II led to the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. After the war, nuclear technology shifted to civilian use in 1953. President Eisenhower launched the Atoms for Peace program, and the International Atomic Energy Agency, or IAEA, was established in 1957 to promote peaceful nuclear use and prevent weapon proliferation in the 1960s and 1970s. The number of nuclear power plants grew rapidly due to their potential for abundant, low-cost energy.
Habang tumatagal daw po, nababawasan ng bisa ng nuclear fuel kaya kailangang palitan. Ang nagamit na fuel ay nananatiling lubhang radioactive sa napakahabang panahon, kaya dapat itong itago ng ligtas, kadalasan sa malalim na hukay sa ilalim ng lupa. Kapag hindi ito na-dispose ng tama, maaari nitong makontaminate ang groundwater at magdulot ng panganib sa kalikasan at sa tao.
Political and regulatory framework of nuclear energy. The political and regulatory framework of nuclear energy includes laws, regulations, organizations, and international agreements that govern its development and use. This framework ensures nuclear energy is used safely, securely, and peacefully while addressing social, economic, and environmental concerns. So, ibig sabihin po, mayroong check na mga batas, alintuntunin, or organizations at kasunduan sa pagitan ng mga bansa na namamahala paano bubuo or gagamitin ang enerhiya ito.
Ang pambansang patakaran daw po ng energy ng isang bansa ay naggagabay kung paano ito gumagawa at gumagamit ng energy. Kasama na ang nuclear power. Ang mga patakarang ito ay naapektuhan ng opinyon ng public, paglago ng ekonomiya, pangangalaga sa kalikasan, at seguridad sa energy. Samantala, ang mga states sa nuclear energy ay nagtataka ng mga layunin at hakbang kung paano pamahalaan ang nuclear energy, tulad ng pagtatayo ng bagong reaktor, pagpapanatili ng mga umiiral na planta, o pagsasara ng mga luma.
The Nuclear Regulatory Commissions, or NRC, oversees commercial nuclear facilities and materials in the U.S., ensuring safety, security, and public health. Other countries have similar agencies, such as the UK's ONR, the UAE's FANR, and South Korea's NSSC. The International Atomic Energy Agency, established in 1957, promotes the peaceful use of nuclear energy, sets international safety standards, prevents the spread of nuclear weapons, and provides a platform for global cooperation.
Ang politikal at regulasyon daw po sa nuclear energy ay nagtitiyak na ang benepisyo nito ay balance sa kaligtasan, seguridad at proteksyon sa kalikasan. Mahalaga daw po ang mabuting pamamahala na may malakas na cooperation sa loob at labas ng bansa. Matibay na ahensya ng regulasyon at tuloy-tuloy na pakikipag-ugnayan sa publiko at mga stakeholder.